Here's a question a customer gave me the other day. They sell fluid and pneumatic hoses. So when they sell one of these, they have a part on one end and they have a part on the other end, and they have a cable in the middle or a hose in the middle. This could apply itself to electronic cables just as easily. Anyway, the way they do that at the moment is by using kitting. So they'll make up a part number and it'll have those three items in it, and they'll sell that and it'll take the components out of stock. Well, that's great. That's always been a feature available and it's pretty simple to use. The problem comes when the hose needs to be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 meters and you've only got a kit made up for a 1 meter. What do you do then? So you don't want to make a part number for every single possibility of length of kit. You just want one part number with that item, and the item in the middle. So let me show you how we've done that. So you've loaded your fluid hose. It's a standard 1 meter. This is the part that the customer wants. It's got the components on it. It's got the two ends on it that he wants. But he wants a 4 meter hose in this case. So let me show you how we do that. Click on kit and it shows the components that are in this kit. It shows it's 1 meter of hose, it's 2 connectors, and we can make a maximum of 10 with the available inventory we have in stock of the components. So now this customer wants 4 meters. All we do is we go up here, we hit 4, enter, OK, and now when you sell that kit, it'll actually take 4 meters out of stock and it'll adjust the cost accordingly. So don't forget to adjust your selling price as well. Anyway, if you want more information on that, talk to Peach Software. Thanks for watching.